Hello trader. Free expert advisor for $500. I will share the Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor and its presets for free for you. Watch this video until it's finished and don't skip it. And if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe and get another free expert advisor every time I upload a video. Description of Wolf Forex. This expert advisor uses a scalping system with a very efficient breakout strategy. From the MQL5 site, you can see here that you have made a total profit of 5,001%. Recommended use of a Wolf Scalper. Euro to US dollar and US dollar to Japanese yen pairs. Time frame H1. The minimum deposit is just $100. Leverage 1 to 100. ICN account recommendation broker. Low spreads and zero stop levels. For broker recommendations I have provided a registration link in the description column. Let's check the monitoring of the trading results that are already running. Yield growth 5,061%. Profit $50,615.02 from initial $1,000 deposit. Algo trading 100%. Drawdown 42.3%. Profit trades 92.8%. Wolf Forex runs from February 2022 until now in October 2022. You can see the details here. And here has experienced a fairly high drawdown of 42.28% in June 2022. Detailed distribution of profits and losses for each US dollar to Japanese yen, Euro to US dollar and pound sterling to US dollar pair. Here it is seen that the ones who get the biggest profit are the US dollar to Japanese yen and Euro to US dollar pairs. Next we will check the slippage of each broker. You can use one of the following list of brokers. For the Euro to US dollar pair Exness broker, the slippage is quite small. And the IFC markets broker also has quite a small slippage. Later for testing I will try to run the Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor on these two brokers. If you want to try, make sure to first learn how this expert advisor works before switching to a real account. Here I will try to use a broker IFC Markets and broker Exness to see the results of the Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor. According to the advice of the Wolf Scalper developer site, using 1 to 100 leverage. For the IFC market, unfortunately for a demo account there is no option for an ECN account or a low spread account. For an experiment at the Exness broker later I will try to use a low spread account and 1 to 100 leverage. For VPS I will run on a free VPS that I have made on Recomended. Do you already have this free VPS? If not you can check on this channel about how to get a free VPS from Recomended without a credit card. Okay, straight to the point of this video. I have many different versions of Wolf Scalper. Starting from version 6, version 7, version 9 and version 12. I will share with you version 12 which is listed here for 2021. Let's try to check with backtest to find out the optimal settings. 1. Pair Euro to US dollar Wolf Scalper setting default preset. The first backtest I will try with the default preset for comparison with the custom preset. When I run the backtest from January 2022 to June 2022. Expert Advisor is already running. But unfortunately here it gets a loss of -$3,646. Let's see the details of the transaction. Here there are quite a lot of buy transactions and closed close at stop. 2. Pair Euro to US dollar Wolf Scalper setting preset custom V1. Okay, I'll show you the presets I've tried to optimize. You can also get this preset for free. The preset I use here doesn't use auto loot. My auto lot is turned off. And the rest you can see here. H1 time frames. Spread 20. Backtest period of 6 months, so it's not long. Okay, this is how the expert advisor balance moves when it's running. The results of the 6-month backtest. Here I get the following data. Total net profit $2,293.71. Profit factor 8.31. Pretty good results. Total trades 58 transactions. Drawdown 25.59%. Quite a big drawdown. But on the MQL5 side it has reached 40%. Consecutive wins 16 transactions. Consecutive losses 7 transactions. For the details I will save it. And please also pay attention to each transaction so that you can find out the estimated profit and loss from each time it runs. Three. Pair Euro to US dollar Wolf Scalper setting preset custom V2. The second backtest is still the same using the H1 time frame. Spread 20. Backtest period 6 months. The setting I changed was auto lot false. Lot 0.01 and win used I changed to 1. Okay, what's the result? Please look at the movement of the graph. The results of the 6-month backtest. Here I get the following data. Total net profit $59. Profit factor 1.81. Total trades 95 transactions. Drawdown 1.25%. Consecutive wins 10 transactions. Consecutive losses 4 transactions. If you pay attention here, the results obtained are quite small but are also balanced with a small drawdown of 1.25%. I think this is suitable for users who want to trade casually without being burdened with large drawdowns. The point is that there is a win used parameter and a lot parameter. In that parameter is the profit target to be achieved with the lot of each transaction. Okay. What do you think about this Wolf Scalper V12 Expert Advisor? If you like this video, you can support this channel by clicking like this video and subscribing to this channel. And you will always get a free Expert Advisor every time I upload a video. To see the performance of the Expert Wolf Scalper, in the next week I will try to analyze the details of transactions that are running on a live trading account. For the US dollar to Japanese yen pair I will make a separate video, so that the duration of the video is not too long. If you want to try this Expert Advisor, in the description link, I have provided the download link. And also make it a habit for you to learn the Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor before switching to a real account. Write your opinion in the comments column. If there is a request for another Expert Advisor, you can write too. If I already have, I will share it for free. Make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss a video every time I upload it.